Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I am going to share with you another savory snack recipe called as Fafda. Now this Fafda is a famous Gujarati snack recipe which is accompanied with either green chilies or jalebi. That's why they call it Fafda jalebi. So let me take you into the simple experience of making this recipe. In a flat tray, take 1 cup of chickpea flour, then add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, around 1 teaspoon of salt. Then here I have 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, also called as ajwain, and I'm going to crush it between my palms and then add it. Now around 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder. This is actually roasted cumin seed powder. Then 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'm going to mix everything well. The reason why I'm using the gloves is because in the initial kneading time, the hands get too sticky and then it becomes difficult to knead it. So here I've added around 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I'll start adding a little bit water, but just 1 to 2 tablespoons first. I'm going to mix it nicely. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Do not add baking powder. Now you can add this baking soda even before when you're mixing the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add another tablespoon of water, then 1 more tablespoon of water. So total until now I have used around 4 tablespoons of water. The reason why I'm adding tablespoon after tablespoon is because you do not need too much water in this dough and you want to knead the dough little firmer. And now another tablespoon of water. This is one of the reasons why I used gloves, because it just becomes too sticky. Now everything is binded well. I will remove the glove and then add another tablespoon of water. And now knead it with bare hands. Now I'm going to take another tablespoon of oil and then again knead it. This total kneading took me around 10 minutes. Now I'm going to grease the palms and also the dough. And I'll keep this aside covered with a saran wrap for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now once the 15 to 20 minutes are done, here I have greased this tray and here I have this cutting board. So I'll show you what we will be doing on this. The dough is well set and ready. Now I'll be dividing this entire dough by greasing my palms again with some oil. Just cut it into equal sizes. I'm going to grease this cutting board and also my palms and take one part, roll it into cylindrical shape, and with the help of bottom side of the palm, I'm going to press it sliding upwards. Now with the help of any kind of scraper, I have this pizza cutter, so I'm just using that. I'm going to scrape carefully this papda dough. We'll be repeating the same with the remaining dough. Just watch carefully how I'm doing it. Now while I'm doing this, I will also put some oil on heat in a wok. So by the time we are done this, the oil should be hot enough. Just use a little bit of the dough and put it in the oil to see if the dough rises right away. So this is half of the batch which I prepared. So I'm going to fry this first. This oil is hot enough, so I will be frying it on medium heat, both the sides. Fry it only until it's golden. This fafda frying takes only a minute. So make sure to not make it too dark. Once this is done, then we'll just put it on a plate which is covered with an absorbent paper, so any excess oil can get absorbed on the paper. So our crispy, crunchy fafda are ready. I hope you liked watching this video. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to it. And if you have already subscribed to the channel, then please hit the bell icon for more upcoming video notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.